All right, guys. Oh, Sea Breeze over here at the Chase Road project, and we just got stung, so we're taking a break. I got stung in the back of the head, and I don't know by what. I got stung in the head, and I don't know about what, but I'm going to show you some of the progress we got going on opening this joker up. Tracy dropped this tree. She did a great job on it. We dropped probably about 5 trees in here, guys. So this used to be the path, if you remember, to get up in here. But we can't get up in here right now because I dropped probably like 5 trees, 5 tall ones. And I'm waiting for Tracy to get here, and we're going to start delimbing probably to clear this back open. So, gotta go this way now. I started coming in a different way now because that part's blocked off. But I'll show you what got accomplished a little bit. So we're gonna start coming in from this way. I've been looking too, guys. I might make an entrance coming this way for Tracy's car because of the stumps over on that end. See, I can't get this way either. We dropped about 5 trees up over in here. We sure did. But it's less brush up in here. So I'm gonna sneak through this way. I'm going to show you some of the progress that I got going on. As you can see how big this opening is getting now. Look at it now. There's headquarters. Remember, I couldn't walk up in here before. That's where I'm piling all the wood and stuff for right now. But this is the other side of the path. See, this one was so tall, I just chopped it down right there. I'll finish doing something with that in a little bit. But I got stung in the head. Look at this long one I dropped. Look, dropped it from right here. You see the stump? And look how long this baby is. She's going all the way up over here. See? So these trees over here are all gonna drop this way. Those trees are all gonna drop this way is what's going on. So here's another long one. Look at this one I cut down too. This one had a couple stems on it, big ones, so I wanted to get them out of there to get a path and get the limbs out of the way, but this one was a big one. There's a couple more up in there. Some of them are already dragged up over there. But yeah, look at the progress I did, guys. And we're stacking the wood right here. But you remember before I took that video, I cleared all up in here too. You see? It's starting to open up, huh? Somebody's saying, oh my God, that guy's gone. Starting to open up, guys. I'm using bare hands here. I'll show you what I'm using. I'm using 1 weed whacker, 1 snip, I call that a snip, and I got 1 chainsaw out. And something was just on my head again in the back. Boy, they love me, don't they? They're all over me. And there's headquarters. I got it closed up. But I wanted to show you guys boy, they're all over me up in here. They're smelling me really good. And I just keep rubbing my head because they land on me. I don't know why they like my head. Ain't much to it. But look at that, guys. We're clearing it. And what I'm thinking, talk it over with Tracy when she gets here, is coming in through this way. I think we're gonna end up bringing her in this way, me too. For right now, I started opening it up. I'm gonna cut those out of there. I'm gonna drop this tree. That tree's gonna get dropped. Both of those are gonna get dropped. That's definitely getting dropped. Okay, then we got a nice, that's getting dropped. Then we got a nice opening right here. And these are small, so those are no problem. That's getting dropped. That's getting dropped. All these up in here are getting dropped, which ain't much. This is little stuff up in here. I can probably have this right here done probably like an hour. Probably about an hour. Yep. Not saying I'm gonna do it today, but I might. And then, so then I'm clear coming in through this way. But no, there'll be no stumps besides this one. I dropped one right here too. You see it? That's this one. And it got hung up on a tree up there. Me and Tracy got to push that over. And we're gonna get all this up out of here. That's gonna leave me pretty much a clear shot getting in there, because those trees right there are going. There's another one we dropped. Look at that. Where? This one's getting dropped. But it's gonna leave a stump there, so I gotta be, that's the only one I'm really pretty much worried about. Look like Tracy already hauled into it. You see it? Yes, she did. Well, she can come in through this way. This is what I'm thinking, bringing her in this way. Me too. And heading right around that way. Yep. Yep. Because this is, that one ain't going nowhere. Which means, I'm gonna drop these too. I gotta get out of here, guys. They ate me up. And I gotta take a break. This is where we started clearing, you remember. I'm gonna get more of this up out of here. Because that car, me and Tracy's car, we're thinking about coming right up through here. Right up through this way. Not this way. I was planning on coming this way. You see, I got these tree stumps right there, and I'm not ready to get the tree stumps out. So that's blocking. I could come on this side, but even when I do, see, those tree stumps are gonna be in the way coming up through there. Yes and no, but see, there's a few more up in there. We'll see. We'll get her opinion on it and go from there. Well, we're clearing it, guys. This is that Chase Road project. Stay tuned. Mike and Tracy T doing it.